Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Dimenia Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, it is the first day of spring and I am super happy. And so today's gonna be a spring special. And so in today's video, we'll be discussing everything about seed tape. Spring is the season in which a lot of us gardeners start our seeds indoors or outdoors, depends on where you live. And sometimes it could be a struggle with spacing. So I want to discuss with you guys the best method of spacing your seeds and the best way of planting them. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, before we actually start, I want to showcase to you guys my very first spring flowering bulb that just opened up. This is the Golden Band Lily, Oriental Lily, from the Jungus seed. Look at this. I just had to showcase it to you guys. The scent is crazy and it's super pretty. Lilies are my favorite flowers since day one and it will always be. So it's gonna be with us through the entire video. So jumping in, you want to go ahead and select your seeds. So you could absolutely do any seeds you want, but seeds such as beans and easy to germinate seeds, I would not recommend doing this because you could just plot those in the soil and they don't require so much spacing, which is amazing. But this is more directed to bare root crops as well as strictly spacing crops, meaning that they have to be spaced in order to thrive. For example, I have peas here, radishes, calendula, yes, you could do flowers, broccoli, and you could just go on and on and on. So I'm gonna go ahead and showcase to you guys how we're gonna do the shelling piece properly. And I know this method has been around for some time, but I really do want to bring it back up. And then I have some special announcements towards the end of the video, so please stay tuned with us. So let's go ahead and move the camera to this table so I can show you guys into detail how to make it, and then we'll show you guys how to plant them. So Ultimate Gardeners, now we're gonna start the seed tape process. So I want to showcase to you guys a few that I did before this video, Here I have some megaton cabbage. As you can see, I put 2 seeds in there to increase germination rate. We have Bloomsdale Long Island spinach right here. We have wild violet corn. And we did German giant radish. So now time for the peas. The thing you're gonna need is liquid glue, tweezers, and paper towels cut into 1-inch strips. And of course your seeds. All of these materials are super safe for the seeds because this, once it gets wet, it becomes soft and the roots will be able to go through them easily. So now you're gonna go ahead and grab your seeds like so. And then you're gonna grab your glue. You're gonna dip your seed in ever so slightly. And then you're gonna place your seed in there, and that's it. Super easy and very great. And so you're gonna want to space them usually about, we'll say, a tweezer apart. So based on your tweezer, you want to plant them a tweezer apart. So my next one would be right around there. So let me go ahead and get the next seed, dip it in here, and place it. And then you're gonna keep doing that until your seed tape is fully filled. And then you're gonna put this in an area where it will be safe, where people won't mess around with it, so it can dry, and then the next day you'll be able to plant them out. So that's gonna be it. So now let me go ahead and showcase to you guys how to plant them. So Ultimate Gardeners, here I am at one of my seed mounds right here, or one of my dirt mounds. I like to do the hilling method in a row. And so here I have the seed tape. This is my German giant radish. So I'm gonna plant them right here. So you're gonna make a well about, we'll say, 1 inch to 2 inches deep, like so. And then right when you do that, you're gonna go ahead and place your seed tape right down there. Try to make it as even as possible because it'll allow the seeds to germinate and come up around the same time. And then you're just gonna go ahead and cover back up and then you're gonna go ahead and water right away so that paper towel could get wet and the seeds can start germinating. So that's technically it for this video. Now let's go ahead and announce the special announcement I have for you guys. So to main gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting spreading video. Now we're gonna be discussing the special announcement I have for you guys. As you guys know, it's the first day of spring and all gardeners are ready to kick off the season with some amazing crops to start from seed. Well, I've been planning on this for some time now, but I will be launching my very first spring seed collection here very soon. This seed spring collection will be released this Monday, so that's super exciting. So technically it's going to be released tomorrow, literally speaking, because I have joy in seeing other gardeners start their own seeds, and I really want to provide that for you guys. So I'm gonna be launching an entire seed collection for spring, and I will be leaving a link towards the online catalog down below for you guys to check out. It's just a few photos that you'll be able to click on, that you'll be able to see all the things we have available, and then from there, once this collection is launched, I will be announcing it through YouTube as well as on my Instagram page, so make sure to check those out and stay aware when our seed collection goes live. So that's going to be it for this exciting spreading video, you guys. Once again, I discussed with you guys the entire way on how to make seed tape and how to plant them. And I just love seed tape in general because it's super useful for us beginner gardeners as well as experienced gardeners like me, because we do not like spacing. We just pop the seeds in there, call it a day, and when thinning comes, we'll thin them whenever we want to. So yeah, so thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below, and while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel, and please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where the food comes from, but not only that, learn how to grow it. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.